Interested in bidding on foreclosed properties at public auction? The Bay County Clerk's Office conducts online foreclosure auctions that are open to registered bidders. To get started, visit baycoclerk.com and navigate to the Foreclosure Auctions page. From this page, you can access foreclosure auction information, frequently asked questions, the auction calendar, online registration, and training videos. The Bay County Clerk's Office hosts online foreclosure auctions through the Real Foreclose platform, where properties are sold to the highest bidder in accordance with the Florida statutes. To participate in an auction, you must first register online for a bidder account through the clerk's website. A deposit is required before bidding. That deposit must be equal to or greater than 5% of your highest bid. Another way to calculate it would be that you can only bid 20 times your deposit. For example, if your deposit is $1,000, you can only bid up to $20,000. Deposits may be submitted by electronic check, wire transfer, cash, cashier's check, or money order. Electronic check deposits must be submitted at least 4 days in advance of the auction. These properties are considered buyer beware, so bidders should complete their own due diligence before placing a bid. Once registered, you can review available foreclosure properties and participate in upcoming online auctions. If you are the successful high bidder, the remainder of the winning bid, court registry fees, and documentary stamp taxes must be paid within 24 hours of the sale. Final payment must be made by wire transfer, cashier's check, or money order. Once the final payment is received, the clerk's office will issue a certificate of sale and mail it to the successful bidder for their records. If no objections to the sale are filed within 10 days, the clerk will issue a certificate of title, which serves as the deed to the property. For additional information, upcoming auction dates, or bidder registration, visit baycoclerk.com. Thank you for using the Bay County Clerk's Office online services.